Hello, my name is Karen Neidhold. I am a teacher in the Washoe County Public Schools, and I want to first thank you all for being here, because if you didn't care about education, you wouldn't be on this committee. So maybe a little bit of preaching to the choir, but we appreciate your support. Today, I want to talk just briefly about the realities, the trickle-down effect of the funding in our state, what is really happening at our schools. And it's time for our state to just buckle down and fund the schools appropriately, however we can do it. But here's the real life example. At my school, the budget cuts that our district had to make last year. Our class sizes have increased. I'm an orchestra teacher. I'm happy to put another chair in my room and add another kid to my class. But the math and the Spanish teachers have almost 40 students. That's difficult. With no place to put students, most of our 8th graders are in aid for at least one period, but we have some students at our school who are aides for 3 periods. I wonder how they're going to score on their tests in high school. Our librarian, who makes the rest of us look terrible no matter how many hours we put in. She's awesome. And she's had to teach 2 classes, but that makes our library unavailable for those teachers during those 2 periods. So if you have an English class during that period, you can't use the library during that period. You might think that the school districts, well, they should just cut their administrative costs. But besides being an orchestra teacher, I'm also pretty good at math. And I went to the budget meetings a year ago and saw the math. Cutting out the administration completely from our school district would not solve our budget problems. It's that small a percentage of our budget. So publication, it's time for you, with our help, raise your hand if you're happy to help. Okay, with our help, we will be there for you in any way you need to help solve these problems. But they are problems that need to be solved, or else we are going to need the ICU instead of CPR. Thank you very much.